Yo guys, what's up and welcome to today's trade recap of the trade that I just took. And damn, I am pissed right now. I am pissed and you'll understand why. So, damn. So let's go over the confluences really quickly. Coming into market open, we saw that ES was pushing up pretty heavily. We had these low resistance highs up here. This one got taken out. This one taken out. So I was immediately searching for a short entry because this push to the upside for me was clear that we will have a correction now to the downside. I just want to catch it. I was watching also the Nasdaq at the same time. As we can see here, Nasdaq also market open, pushes up completely, sweeps out all these low resistance 50-minute highs, and including that we also swept out all-time highs on Nasdaq. Marked it out right here, swept the all-time highs on Nasdaq. ES though failed to sweep out these high time frame highs, while NQ on the other hand swept out all-time highs. S&P didn't. So what did we form? We formed a high time frame bearish SMT. I mean, first it was obviously like a low time frame SMT on the 5-minute, but I was speculating that this SMT will become even higher. So as you can see now, ES did a lower high right here compared to these highs, and NQ did a higher high compared to these highs right here. So we had a bearish SMT divergence, which was amazing for my bearish bias that I had after sweeping out all these low time frame resistance liquidities. And what do we do from there on? I scale down to the 1-minute. I saw that NQ swept out all-time highs. ES formed this bearish SMT divergence. We get a breakout structure to the downside, as you can see right here. This is the breakout structure. And I was just waiting for another confluence because the break with this black candle was too big for me to enter down here. Didn't want to do that. So I was waiting patiently for this bearish fair value gap to get filled. We got the fill. We got the bearish reaction out of it after macro time opened. Perfectly fine. Execute. Entered. TPs were this low right here. I also marked out London lows that we had, and previous day lows that we had down here. And as you can see, oh my goodness, this is why I'm so pissed, because after we hit my first take profit right here, I got stopped out at break even, and I don't even know how close this was, because after we hit my first take profit, I moved stops to break even. And I don't even want to measure this, to be honest. Like, this is, I can't even measure this. This is like, it's like 1 pip. I got stopped out at break even because of 1 pip. And then we had a flash flood to the downside. I don't know, there are no news. Like, I haven't seen any news. I don't know what caused this flash flood to the downside. I checked on Twitter, nothing. Like, I scanned Forex Factory, there's no news whatsoever. And oh my goodness. Like, I know there are some people that probably caught this move because they didn't get stopped out at break even and they probably had the same entry. But this was so free. I was just super unlucky that I got stopped out at break even. Also NQ, look at this. Complete flash flood to the downside. By the way, NQ also had the same setup with the bearish 1-minute fair value gap and the bearish reaction out of it. You could have also just entered here on NQ, but I just decided to trade ES because of the bearish SMT divergence that we had. So looking at this right now, bias was completely correct. We took out all my take profits. The only reason why I couldn't profit off of all these TPs is because I got stopped out at break even because of 1 pip. I mean, I still won a bit today. Don't get me wrong. Like, I still had a decent risk to reward ratio. at my first take profit right here. But when you see such things, it's just annoying. It's just so annoying. Yeah. But nevertheless, this week for me was a winning week. I hope my winning streak will continue for a few more days. But realistically, of course, there will be another loss in the upcoming days. But yeah, we've missed a huge opportunity today to take huge amounts of profits into the weekend. It's Friday, the week is over, I'm done for the week. I had only wins this week, which is amazing. But yeah, obviously comparison is the thief of joy. Yeah, it is what it is. I can't change it now. Sometimes you get stopped out with only one pip at break even, and then all your TPs get hit. It is what it is. The setup today was pretty obvious. We had multiple liquidity sweeps. We had a bearish SMT divergence. We had a 1 minute breakout structure. We had even equilibrium. I mean, if we want to take a look, technically this was also equilibrium right here, from these swing highs to these swing lows. Technically also we inversed this bullish fair value gap. So there were multiple confluences. If you are a smart money concept trader and you saw also that Nasdaq swept out all-time highs and ES failed to sweep out these high time frame highs, it's a pretty free entry, you know. That's why I'm so disappointed. But I mean, I still won, don't get me wrong. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. I didn't. And yeah, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Peace out.